Hi guys, Marian here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my empty house tour. This is my last video in this house. I'm going to show you guys the whole house totally empty and just kind of capture it one last time. We just moved into our new house, which I'm so excited about. But of course, as you can imagine, leaving this house is so emotional. And even though we're so excited to move and we've been wanting to move for so long, it's still so emotional because this is our first like real family home. Me and my husband have lived a few different places, but this is the home we had our kids in and, you know, brought them home from the hospital and they took their first steps here and had their birthday parties here. If I have time when I'm editing, I might insert some footage from the most special memories here. So, and I also, so yeah, and it's also the home where I started my YouTube channel, and as of today, I am like about to hit 25,000 subscribers, which is craziness. I remember when I hit 2 subscribers and 200 subscribers and 2,000 subscribers, so it's just such an amazing journey. And it all started right here in my home. So let me walk you guys around and show you my empty house tour one last time before I go. So right now I'm sitting in the backyard and I'm gonna walk you guys around to the front of the house. It is so crazy to see it totally empty because I actually went to the new house before the movers finished packing up here, so I didn't see it until I just walked in right now to like get some last stuff. So I haven't seen it totally empty until right now. It's kind of sad. All right, here's what it looks like. So this is what you see when you come in. Fireplace, windows. It was so much darker when we bought it. All the paint colors are really dark. The fireplace was red brick. It was just so different. These curtains were actually up in the master bedroom. You can up and down. They're looking a little funny right now. And this chandelier wasn't here. This is all stuff I need to bring to the new house, all like cleaning supplies and stuff. Here's the kitchen. Oh my, it's so strange thinking this isn't my kitchen anymore, especially after being in lockdown. I think I got a lot of questions about moving during COVID and lockdown and stuff. And I think honestly the strangest part is just that we haven't left our house in like 6 months, you know, for any established amount of time. So it's really, it just, I think, makes it harder to leave almost, or makes it just a stranger experience because we've literally just been in these walls for 6 months. Okay, so there's, this is the front door, and then the house is a split level, which is actually the part that really frustrated me because of all the different levels, especially with kids. So that was the main reason actually that we wanted to move. This was Corey's room. This actually started as a playroom for Max before his little brother came along. So we had that feature wall with the stars, and that was Corey's closet. And then this, my husband actually built the doors for. It was just an empty alcove when we bought the house. So we added some doors to use it for better storage. That was your first room, Corey Bear. Your very first room. And then just across the hall is his brother's room. This is Max's room. Oh my goodness, I always loved these window drapings. They're from Pottery Barn. The previous owners had put them in. I love them. And they had done all this nice shelving in the closets, which was so nice. Max had these great closets. They had all your toys in them, Max. And that was Max's room. And then this was the bathroom that the boys shared. Took all their first baths in. Oh my goodness, I'm getting emotional now. Because when I think about just when I think about giving them their first baths, the first time they took baths together, and it's like, it's just such a parenting moment. That bath time before bed. Oh, my little heart. Oh, my heart. Oh my goodness. That was the tub. That was the tub. That's their little bathroom. I need to like double check these are all empty. So far so good. And then just up these stairs is our master. This was like an addition put onto the house. It was this huge master, which was so nice for when we had little babies, because then they could be in the room with us and it wasn't cluttered or anything. And this was I was so excited for when we bought this house. Not just the master, but a closet of my own. Oh my goodness. There's my closet. And my husband had his closet right here. And I loved these windows and the view of the trees. That's my favorite. I always love working, like looking out a window with trees in the background. Just so nice. And this is our bathroom. Funny story, we replaced this for the new owners. We told them we would. And it was a debacle because of COVID. Like nothing was available. But we got it in. The shower, which is still on. I better turn that off. It always gets left on. That was the shower. One thing that I didn't like about this bathroom was it didn't have a master bath, and I'm such a baby that I love taking baths, so I'm really excited because the new house has a bath. But I was always like, there's so much room for it, like why didn't they ever put one in? So I don't know why when they built this they didn't put a bathtub like right there, but that was the bathroom. Goodbye room. And I'll take you guys downstairs. Oh my goodness, it's so echoey. Okay, so these are probably the much lesser used rooms of the house. This was our office, although in COVID times, my husband has been working here every single day, not going to the office. So it did get a lot of use at the end. And they had this great shelving built in. I used to put all my like serving platters and stuff here. The kitchen was big, but just for that like kind of extra stuff, it was really nice. That was the office. Then another bathroom. These two floors, this one and the one above with the boys' bedrooms, are like mirror images or duplicate images. And this was the guest room. We called it Granny's room because my mom would come visit and my dad, but we called it Granny's room. We never did anything in this room. I would have loved to like have painted it and brightened it up, but we just figured it wasn't really worth it in the end. But yeah, just a simple bedroom. And then this was one of the most fun places in the house, which is the basement. I never owned a basement before or lived in a house that had one, coming from California. So it was so fun to have the kids running around here. And then here, this little secret closet that they loved. And then in there is laundry and storage, which I probably need to clean out a little bit. Laundry room. I don't think you guys probably ever saw this room because there ain't much to see. But yeah. And then this is maybe the best part of the whole house, which is the backyard. Such a nice backyard. My hydrangeas, it's just past their season now. We spent so much time out here, so many fun afternoons and mornings playing with the little boys. The backyard. We're leaving the big swing set mostly because it's hard to transport, and the new family coming in has a bunch of kids, so they're gonna love it. And the previous owners left it for us, so it's kind of a nice tradition. So that's the backyard. So that's it, guys. That's my empty house tour. I gotta go do some last cleaning and make sure it's all ready to go for the new owners. I'm really excited to show you guys our new house. I'm gonna be doing, I think, like room by room organization videos rather than like a house tour because things are kind of crazy in there. But I've got big organization plans, so I'm really excited to share them with you guys and bring you along. And yeah, just hopeful and excited for the next thing in the future. And now I'm gonna go say goodbye to our first family home. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to see more, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.